Good day, everyone. Is I'm audible to you all? Is I'm audible to you all? Okay. Any doubt? Afan, Salim, Afan, any doubt? Previous session? No doubts today? Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, uh,
Mm-hmm.
yesterday we worked on data of calendar, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you got the only, I mean, a date and year. You got the one row, and you have created multiple rows.
I have extracted multiple
Yeah,
rows.
you have
Right.
extracted the remaining rows from one row, right?
Exactly.
Can I extract only one row in Power Query Editor and copy that one row and paste in Excel file and uh, can I open that Excel file in Power BI?
Yes, you can do. I'll show you how to do that. Yes,
Okay.
you can go
Okay.
for it.
Uh, I just asked you because when I downloaded the file from Gmail yesterday, I
Mm-hmm.
couldn't find the location of that file. Few
Okay,
days back,
okay.
we have
Um,
extracted the file, right? But
uh-huh.
for yesterday's file, I'm unable to extract the file. I'm not
Okay.
getting the option to extract the file.
Okay, one of the student was having the same problem. You people have to unzip the file. Whatever the file you are getting in the mailbox, that file has to be unzipped. It is in a zip format. Please unzip the folder. In that folder, you can access in the Power BI. Whereas in the desktop, you can see it very easily. It is in the download folder. Yes, you can see it. Yesterday only, I have resolved the same issue as well with your one of your friend. Okay, so try to unzip the whatever the file you are getting it, and you can make it up. And you're talking about the copy of the data. Yes, we can go for it. A copy of a data rather than copying from your Power BI query. We can go with your Power BI. So I'm just sharing the screen. Is the screen visible to you all? Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
All right.
can we import a .pvix file from our downloads or file manager, which are saved in our system?
Yes, yes, we can go for it. I'll show you. I'll show you each and everything. And let me pull up that files. Yeah, just give me a couple of seconds. Okay, I'll show you the basics today, whatever the basics are there. Yeah, yes, I forgot to go with the basics. Good, good of fun. Because of you, everyone are getting to know. A simple basic how to access your tool. That is your Power BI.
Ma'am, please show me how to unzip the file.
Unzip the file.
That will be
Okay,
sure.
I don't have any zipped, I suppose. Let me see if I have any zip file along with me. I asked the team members to share the zip file. Immediately, I can share it with you. Uh, One sec. I'm asking the team to send me the zip file to unzip for you people. Okay? Just give me a couple of seconds.
If you want, I can share my screen and do it. I have a zip file.
Go to the process. Omar, very good. I appreciate you all are cooperating among yourselves. That's a really good thing. But let me go to the process which you all are facing a problem. Okay. Meanwhile, the file comes. I have asked the team to send across the file, which file has been shared to you. Once it is in my inbox, I can pull up for you people. Now, how to access the Power BI? Here, at the blank, I'm going for it. At this moment, I'm going for my sample data. Okay, sample data will be loaded. In this, we have two files. In this Excel sheet, we have two. And I find this is to be very organized data. So I'm pulling up the data. I'm loading the data directly. But for you as a fresher, don't go for it. You go for your transform data. Check all the data is correct or not, and then go for loading part.
Ma'am, did you extract that the .pbi file? Was that a PBI file?
One sec, one sec. I'm asking the team to send across me on the mail
Also,
so
got
that I
it.
can extract. Okay. Meanwhile, they are sending. I can, rather than sitting quiet, I can go this way. Your question was that how could I take up the file from this Power BI? So better is this way you can go for it in a view. This is your Power window. This is the main window. Okay. This is called a Power BI window. And for transformation, we are going here. This is your transformation window. So you can access from both the way you can access the data. But how to extract the data? Here you have an options over here. You can right click over it. We have lot many options given to you. One option is that copy table. Got it? I am copying the table. Now I am putting it up into your Excel sheets. Just go to the blank. See here. Once this is done, go here, control. Got it? Your complete data is in. This is the way you do. Go for it. And when you are working for any tables in this, you have to work this in this Excel. This is not a table. So how to convert into table? Here, select all complete table, go into the insert. We have a table option. Just click on the table option. Your where is the location? In this only I want to go for it. So you can go for it. Any operation you want to perform on this table, you will be. See, this is I have created unnecessary columns. Controls. And any operation you want to perform on Excel sheet, it should be converted into the tables. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to go for insert and I'll go for the table selection. See, it was asking you the tables. Got it? And now whatever, these are your metadatas. I had said you, these are your metadatas. And in this data, if you want to put a sliders, okay, as a data analyst, what you will do most of the time, a simple task I'm showing in the Excel, how to take at the slicers over here. We have a slicers over here. Insert slicers. Here you can go for the slices. I can go uh, profit. I want to have a sales and with the month name, profit sales with respect to what you want to see profits and sale. I want to see with your products and the segment. Got it? So these are the four slices will be coming up. See it. These are your four slices. Aggregate, don't go for the aggregate one. I'll just close these two slices. I don't want these two slices. So you can go and remove this also. Just click, just select and click delete. That is more than sufficient. See here, when I am taking these two slices, I'm putting here at this time. Anywhere you can put. In this, I want to see about your VIT information. Here, all the information has been converted to your VIT. The product is VIT. Got it? And similarly, I want to go for my enterprise. In the VIT, I want to go for the enterprise. These are the VIT and the segment you can see it is an enterprise. Getting or not? This is the way you segregate the data very quickly in your tables also. And one more thing we can go for it, we can go for the pivot. The most important things are your pivots. How to create the pivot tables. I'll be showing you as we go further on. Got it? The idea from way to copy. Another way to copy your table. See how many rows are there? 700 rows are there. Here you can go and check it out. I need to remove all the filters. You'll be fine. You will find how many rows are there. You can see 700 rows. Can you make it up? The heading was one row. So here you can see it is your 700 rows. Complete data has been pulled up. Clear? Afan.
Yes, ma'am. And one more thing, I can extract the .pbi file from Power BI, and while transforming it, it shows location error. So, what could be the problem for this?
Oh, yes. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. Let me complete the copying of the data. So there you can, one way of copying is this way. Another way of copying is that here you can go and copy entire table. In the both the ways you can go. This is your Power Query editor. Okay. Here you can see the same way you can pull it up. Manually you are doing it, right? Here also you can find 700 data, 700 rows.
Done, ma'am. Done.
Okay, this is the way you go for it. And now coming to your source file. See here, you're talking about the source file. This source file is in my C program. I just want to pull up one data. Let me pull it up one data file. Okay, this data only I'll pick it up. Okay, I'll go. Okay, fine. No, I'll go with your calendar table. Now, my calendar table, I'm extracting it, the calendar table over here. Go for the transformation. And now, okay. And this error, how to fix this error? You all know it. How to fix this error? First, understand what is the error is. What is the error? Input provider the default value. It is providing a default value over here, which is not considered. So what I need to do, I need to go for my regional settings. Where I should go for my regional settings? That is my Power BI settings. I need to go and change it. I'm going for the options here. In the options, we have 2, 1 global and current. Okay. I have a two option. One is a global and another one is here. Here you can see global and this one is your current. This current will be applicable to your files which are over here. And this global will be completely applicable to your Power BI. Getting or not? So what I am doing it at this moment, I am going for my current file. So I will go and change the regional settings. It is India, but it should be USA because the data which I am extracting is USA data. In that format, they will be using. Every time the date will be along with the region wise, in which there are n number of ways to represent the data. We can go with the day first, or month first, or year first. So different ways has been accessed over here. So now once it has been accepted, your error will be resolved. Or if not, you can refresh it. As we are having only one table, we can refresh here from here. Got it? This is the way of fixing it.
Ma'am,
And
one quick question.
uh-huh.
Ma'am, I'm not having trouble while transforming the data, but I'm having trouble while extracting the
Export it.
data. Uh,
Ex, ex,
if you want,
ex,
I can show you while
sure.
sharing my screen, ma'am.
Sure, that will be great. I am yes, go ahead. Share your screen up front.
Hi, ma'am. Is it visible?
Yes,
Hello.
it's popping up.
Okay.
It's popping up. It's popping up. Hmm.
Yeah. So he's talking about this file.
Okay.
So this is 1 second.
TXT file. It's very important.
Not this one. One
Uh-huh.
second. Yeah, this one. So I just downloaded it,
Uh-huh.
and it should be in this folder. So much of stuff going on. Yeah. So this is the file. This is the Power BI file, I guess. Yeah. Right.
Okay. Sure, sure.
So this one. So this file which they gave us yesterday. So this is the Power BI file, which I guess.
Hide,
Yeah.
hide, hide. You need to do hide rather than you have exited. Okay. Uh,
So so how do I open it? So when I try to double click it, it's directly open it in this new tab.
just show me once. Let me see it clearly. Or go to the folder. Yeah, it is opening it. I
Yeah, this
think
is
it has
opening.
zip.
Yeah.
Bro, can you transform the data of AW calendar or any file, any data?
Why are you want to take this file? Why are you all accessing this file? I'm shocked.
No, the problem is we got this file in the email, so that is the reason
Fine,
why he's trying to access it.
fine. But see, what is happening? This file has been given for your reference purpose.
Correct. Yeah.
And for this reference purpose, your location, your source location has changed.
Yeah, it
Okay?
is in your system, so that is why it's not opening.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. You need to download that AW file. I had sent across the AW file in your location. Go
Yeah.
and change that AW file over here.
Oh,
Change the location over here. That's it. You can access complete folder, complete transformation. You can access it. But
okay.
I request everyone to go for new Power BI window, extract this files from your AW calendar. CSV, extract CSV files. I could not see which file you are extracting.
So the yesterday's data, like the population one.
Oh, okay.
So if we
Ah,
have the file in our system, then only it's accessible. So the problem is we
yes.
got the file in the email. So that is why everyone was trying to open this file. And
Oh,
but the problem was it was in your system and it was given for your references, our references. So that is
mhm.
why we are unable to open it.
Fine. Got it now?
Yeah.
Got it? This is the way you need to access. Uh, Earlier also I have said the same thing. Your path, the day one I have said you. Let me show my screen. Okay,
Ma'am,
is it
he's extracting Excel files, but I want to extract PBI file.
PBI file, in a PBI file you want to extract?
Yes, ma'am. And one more thing, ma'am, let me just present my
Sure.
screen and show you my problem.
Yeah, share your screen.
I'm having trouble with extracting the files.
Good. That is a one major step.
So here is the PBI file, right?
This is a text file, not a PBI file.
Or here it is, PBI file.
One sec, I could not see. Oh. Where is the PBI file? Where you are extracting it? Okay, got it.
Here is a PBI file. You said me not to open the file from here, right? You want me
Yeah,
to
oh,
extract the file?
you can open, no issue.
Okay.
It is extracted in the extracted form. It is opening. Okay.
1 second, ma'am. Can I transform data on this file?
You want to add one more file to this. I'm not getting it. In a simple way, you tell me what
I
is your
I
in your
can
own language. In your own language, you can say.
मैम एक्सेल फाइल को ट्रांसफॉर्म करे तो अपने को डेटा आ रहा ना मैम, जैसा इन अभी करे थे, राइट?
Mm-hmm.
तो अब मैं डॉट पीबीआई फाइल में अगर मैं ट्रांसफॉर्म करा
How you can do in a PBI file? वो हो नहीं सकता ना.
अफान भाई एक वो बोलता हूँ आपको मैं, आप ये जो फाइल जो डाउनलोड करे ना, वो मैम सेंड करे थे कल रेफरेंस के वास्ते, पर वो फाइल की लोकेशन मैम के उसमें सिस्टम में, सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई अपने को एक्सेस नहीं हो रहा जब ट्रांसफॉर्म डेटा क्लिक कर रहे हैं.
तो आपने अभी तो बोला था कि लोकेशन चेंज, राइट?
No issue, no issue. We'll wait for you. No issue. We are in a team, so we'll wait for each other. No issue.
No, it's
Do one thing. Make a small clip of it. Where exactly is your error? And send across to me. That will be fine, Afan.
Or I can share my screen and we can fix the problem right away.
Yeah,
I am facing the same issue.
Yeah, put it up.
okay.
Afan,
Sure.
a small clip. Make a small clip and send across to me.
So this is the file. So when we hit the transform data,
Mm-hmm.
so he's facing this error. This one. This is the right one, Afan?
Afan,
Are
this
you
is the
facing this?
area. He is out completely. Might be this error only because you all are accessing for the first time.
Yeah.
So small things definitely till you acquainted with this tool, it will take time. The reason for starting Power BI with you all is that the small errors could be seen it visually. Where if I go with your Afan as well. Afan? Salman?
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
the problem. Say the problem to him. Afan, are you facing the same problem? Able to see the screen?
Yes.
The same problem.
While I'm
here?
transforming the data of PBI file, I'm getting this problem.
This problem.
That is what I'm trying to explain.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your source destination from where you are picking up the file. See here, it is saying that is in the D drive. So actually it is not, it's in your C program. Now it is in your C program, somewhere it is. Okay. the problem is that the source file is not in your system. I am taking your file system, not the cloud one. If I'm taking OData, that is you need to take from your OData, that won't give any problem. If I'm going connecting with a server, it won't give any problem if you're having a logger, user and a username and a password to it. The problem encounter when you are using your file system. In a file system, there is some location store in it. Okay. So what is happening? My system storage is not referring to your system storage. Got it? The path. I'll show you how to fix it up. Thank you, Salman.
No worries, ma'am.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Is the screen visible to you all? See, I just want to show you what is the problem you're facing it. Let me pick up one file over here. Any one file. I'm just telling. Yeah, I have picked up one file. See here the source. In your applied steps, see the source. Source file where it is. And this source file location. Look at this location. In the folder, I am putting it over here. Uh-oh. So that location you need to go. Whatever the location. In this, where it is in the D training AWS data, in a data files, we are taking this files, right? Getting or not? So in your system, wherever you are going with your AW files folder, this is your AW folder. Okay. This is your file. Okay, what I need to do. This is the location you are getting it. Okay. Here you can see this is the location you are getting it. Till the extension, Control C. Isn't it the same way? AWS data, adventures. Are fun able to see now? What is happening is that this file is not available in your system. This file is not available in your system. So it is giving you the problem. So what you need to do, I'm providing with your training material. So what you need to do, you need to download, and then when you are going for this PBX, open a new PBX file and go here and try to fetch from that location. Whatever location is there, from there you need to pick it up. Clear? Got it? Fun.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Try
trying.
this. Okay, try this, and I think it will be resolved. Umar, any issue from your end? Okay, let us do the practical of this. Okay. Yes, Afan, want to speak? Not Afan. Umar.
No, so far not made one. I just
Mhm.
got that same
Fine.
issue. Just it just get clarified now.
Fine.
Thank
I want everyone, because this is the small steps where you can lead to as a data engineer or data scientist or a web scraper. When you know about it, some to get acquainted with the tool, it will take time. I do understand. Now, what I want, yesterday we have worked with this. Okay. See, in between my selection is over here, and I'm trying to use this formatting. This transformation I have done, I just, once this is selected, the source file, and I'm trying to go for this for use first row as a header. So what it is asking in between, if you are going any transformation, this will ask you whether you want to get this into here in this location, because this transformation will be taking in the sequential order. One transformation output is depending upon the other, and other is dependent upon the another step. So whenever you are going for it, it will ask you whether it is applicable over here or not. You need to judge it. At this moment, I don't want. Already I have done it. Got it? Already I have done it. Now, this was the yesterday's session. We have done it. Now, what I want to do is I just want to fetch the data. Now, Afan is having a problem, so let me fetch the data from the cloud. How to fetch the data from the cloud? We have an O feeder data. Whenever I'm talking about the cloud data, then I will go with your Northwing data, O data. Northwing O data, just click over here. The first link, whatever the first link comes to you, it is your XML file. This is the XML file. This is the documentation. So over here, and each title, atomic title you are seeing, each title is holding. This is your one table in it. This is a one table. Customer is a table. Employee is a table. Order detail is a table. So how to fetch this? Just copy this. Control C. In a transform window, I'm going in. That is your Power Query editor. Get new source. Over here, I have a two options. One is the web. Don't go for the web. We are extracting your cloud data. That is your O feeder data. So go and click O feeder data. Put it up here. Now you need not to worry. This data will be available to you, because the location will be your cloud location. In this, whichever data you want. At this moment, let me go for your employee data. This seems to be very smallest data. I'm clicking OK. See here, when it is getting in, you are getting two, and one more step will be performed. Two steps are performed. See here, once you are in the source file, what is their location? What is the location over here? Everyone with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Here you can see the location. Your problem will be resolved over here. See here, this is the location, HTTP. HTTP stands for hypertext. Whenever the HTTP comes, you're talking about the web. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is the protocol where your data has been sent on the internet. Clear? Let me put it back to its original position. Now, once we are fetching it, what is happening? This is a source data. When we are fetching it, what is happening? It is in the tabular form. This table is indicated when you are extracting this table. When you are extracting this table, this is the extraction point. Here, it will be asking you, it will be showing the columns in it. So you want to extract this column, so you can extract it. Load more, all the columns will be shown to you. Complete columns will be shown to you. So already in the navigation, we have extracted all the table till whatever the tables you are having in this. Northwing data, all the table, customer, customer relation, employee, all the data will be coming. These are the tables. This is the tables, category table, category sales table, category product. Here you can see. Here you can see categories, and then we have a geographic, then we have a customer, employees. Similarly, you can see here. Similarly, you have a customers, employees, invoices. This is the complete table. This is the complete table. And from that, we have extracted only one table. We have taken only one table. That is your employees table. Got it? Everyone with me? Now with this table, I just want to check it out. How many rows are there? How many rows are there? And is the screen visible to you clearly, or I need to increase it for a while? Okay. Now here you can see the table, and by judging this table, I can find this binary photos extension. I need not to have. That is not of my use when I'm going for the transformations. I won't think so. So what I can do, what are the things which I want to keep it, I can go for the choose. It's a good habit as an expert, better to use this way. So in this, whatever I want is, I need an employee ID. Yes, last name, first name, title, title for the courtesy, date of birth, hire date, address, city, region, postal code, country, home phone, extension is not required, phone is not required, notes, I don't want, reports, no, photo, no, employees, who are the employers helping it, employer 1, employer 2, order. Yes, we can go for the orders. Orders also not required. Orders and territory, let us have it. See, whatever the tables I have selected that are coming, orders and territories, they are holding some tables in it. Whenever the tables are there, this sign will come up. Everyone with me? If I am clicking over here, see, this is holding such a big table in it. Okay, so what I do, at this moment, I don't want to get into complication. I don't want to expand. See, that has expanded. So I don't want to expand it. I don't want to work on this at this moment. So I'm just deleting this also. Fine. Now my columns are how many columns? I have reduced down to my 13 columns. Earlier it was 22 columns. Earlier it was 22 columns. Now I have reduced down to 13 columns. Clear? Now when 13 columns are there, what I am doing it, I am checking where I can do the transformation. We have done your date and time. So here is your date and time. Now when fetching with your date and time, let me show you. When you're working with your date and time, here you can see what is the time, 12, 12 a.m., 12 a.m., 12 a.m. Everywhere the time is constant. So what is happening? The user have not put in this time duration. This is your system generated. So when the system is generating it, so we don't want this. We don't want this. Similarly, in high date, let us see this also. This is also, it seems that it is a system generated. It just cannot be possible. All the entries, all the person are entering at one time. In your computer system, there is a limits are there. At a time, at on same time, no one can hit. At least a fraction of second ahead, a fraction of second behind. There could be a changes in the seconds, minutes, or hour. This will be indicated over here, one at a time in a sequential order. We work for the train getting the data into it. Anyone is filling the form, if any 200 people are filling the form on the same time, same minute, same second, same hour, still there will be a minute changes in entering it, because entering of the data will be in a sequential form. Why it will be in a sequential form? Because of the hit rate. Whenever you are creating any website, whenever the uh, website is created, they will work on the hit rates. If the hit rate is high, then your website traffic will be good. So that is a website one. I don't want to get into it. Now, by this saying this table, what is it is indicated this year? It is a system generated. So we need not to work on the system generated. We need to work on the human generated. So what I can do it, I extract only the date from this column? Can I extract only the date? Yes, we can go for it.
Yes.
Shall I go for the add column or shall I go for the transform tab?
Also in the same tab.
I want in the same tab answer. So I want to go with your transform. In the transform, what I need to do, this is here date type. What is the data type over here? It is a date and time. So here is your date and time. I'm going date. In this only date has been extracted. See here. This is how your transformation is doing. Extracted date. Now here I'll go with the same phenomena. I am just going for the only extraction of the date. Got it? This is the way you are extracting your. And now when I have extracted your date of birth, can I tell your age now? Can I tell your age now? Yes, I can tell you. So what I can do it in the transform tab, I want to go for the age option. We have given the age option. What is the age? How the age will be calculated? Generic formula for the age. What will be the age? Your birth date. Birth date, the difference will be the current date and the birth date. Okay, this will be the difference. What will be the difference? The current date minus birth date. Getting or not? Then you will come to know your age. This is a simple generic formula. This is a generic formula. So what is happening? The age is providing you this generic formula. It is providing you the range between this. What is the range between this? That is what your uh, this duration age will provide you. Now, when I'm going for the age, whether I should go for my transform tab or I should go for my add column
New
tab.
column. Yeah,
New column. Why new column?
because we need separate data, right, for the date of birth and the
Good.
exact age.
Very good. Fabulous. Good to know this. Already we have done this or what? No, no.
No, it's
See,
a general thing, I guess.
yes, good. And the next thing is whenever you are extracting this date, the date will be in which format? It will be in your duration. See, duration means what? The current date, earlier date. What was the earlier date? I just want to check it out. To give this reference, I need to know the earlier date. Date of oh, 1948. Okay. Here, what is happening is duration is from 1948. Okay. 1948 onwards, the day has duration has been counted with respect to your day, time, this all to your 2025. Now, how many years are this now? Calculate how many years are there. 20 a year, 28 or 29 years it will be. Okay. This is your duration and this is your hour, this is your minute and this is your second. This is the format of your age. How the age will be giving it to you, it will be in the duration. How many minutes, how many seconds, how many days. It is in the duration form. The duration form will be with the days respected to with your days time. Okay. इतने सदी इतना time, that is what it is. Now, what I want, the ages will be, age calculation will be in which form? The age calculation will be in your number form, in a years. So what, this is not in a year, number form. So what I can do, I can go with the extraction with the years. This year extraction of your year. Oh, I don't want in an add column. I want to do the transformation in the transform tab. Here you can go for the extraction for the duration, and I am looking for the years difference. If you want to go for the month difference, you can go for the month. You can extract it, and it is showing you the decimal value. Just check it out. If you are unable to get it, what you can do it, just copy and check it out the data. Whatever data you are getting, if you want to go for the reference wise, it's a good habit to use your note. That's the reason I'm saying you it's a good habit to use your this one notepad. Put it here. See here how many decimals. This many decimals it is showing. So what I don't want to go with my decimals at this moment. So what I can go for it, I can change the data over here. How can I change? I can make it to whole number individually. I don't want to consider here this. So 77 years. The person, first person, what is name? Nancy.
Nancy.
Yeah, Nancy is of 77 years. Got it?
Yeah,
And
I have a small thing, ma'am. So can we change the age from the date of birth to the higher date? So when he was what age he got hired? Can we do that too?
yes, I can do that. See here, how we can go for it. The logic should be there. Directly from the age to higher, there won't be any relationship. But we can go for the experience. We can go and calculate the experience the same way. In this, in the same way, you can go for the experience. Here you can go age. Now this is the experience, fine. And in this experience, what I need to do, I am going with your years. Go here. And too many columns are should not be used because on the optimization issue. So this is your experience. See here, can you imagine now 77%, a person, Nancy is holding 77 years, and from last 34 years, she is working. So what is the difference now? Can you make it a difference or not? Can you make a difference or not? So what I can do, how to make a difference from your this column to this column? We have a calculate column. We have your conditional column, or we can go for an example one. How to go this custom column? Custom column formula. This I'll show you. Age minus simple. These are the simple generic formulas. So see here, 43 years at the, oh, 43 years it is showing. 43 years minus the study. How much could be the studying area? This is how you can calculate. Okay. And there are lot many options are there. We have to explore it yet to be explored. One we are doing one at a time. Clear? Till now, got it? How we are going for the age and experience in this way. With the age, any other column with the age is there? No. Now let's go with your another transformation, data transformation. Today's session. Yesterday's session, the last session was we have extracted what? We have extracted your, we were talking about your date and time, specific transformation. For your revision, I'm saying you, we have done with your date and time extraction. In this, the first extraction was age, and the age will be giving you in which format the output will be the data extracted into duration, then hours, then minutes, and then seconds. This is the format. And then what we have done, we have gone with your date only option. Here what is happening, it is extracting only the date from date and time. From date and time. Okay. Then we have what we have, the next one is that we have gone with your year extraction. We have gone for the year extraction. In the year extraction, it will extract only the year. Then we have, in the year, we have a start. Start of the year. We have end of the year. Then we have end of the year. Okay. This was a year. Then we have extracted the month. In month, we have lot many things. We have extracted month. We have extracted the name of the month. We have extracted days in the month. We have extracted start, day, start of month. We have gone for end of month. Okay. Then after month, what we have done, we have gone for your week. In a week extraction, we have gone for the week of the year, week of the month, start week, the end week, and all name of the week. See here, once I'm going for this, it is not highlighted. It is not highlighted. Okay. When I'm going for this number, it is not highlighted. It will be highlighted unless until you're going with your date time. Oh, we have to go with the quarters. I forgot the quarters. Okay, month, year, and start. Week is done. After that week, we have to go with your quarters. In quarters, it contains 3 months, 3 months duration. You have to extract the quarter and the start of the quarter. When the start of the quarter, you should remember this. When at the time of interview, they will ask you, if I want to know the end of the quarter, where I can find it out. Because after completing the course, it will be difficult. So what I want you all to with me practice with your this one. And in the mid, once this module is completed, I want all of you all to go for the resume writing. Once I'll go with your resume writing, then I'll start with your module 2, so that you can put up your date. Day. The next is your day extraction. In your day extraction, number of days, name of the day, name of the day, start of the day, end of the day, week of the day, month of the day. In a day, we have lot many options. Day of a year, name, day of a week, day of a year, year and a week. Year and week. Okay. These are the options given to you when you're fetching the numerical data. Sorry, date and time. Now let's go with your next specification transformation, data specific transformation. That is a text specified transformation. Text transformation. In this text transformation, here you can see in your text transformation. Now let's go and select this text transformation. When you're going for the text transformation, you can find format. Is this in the format? What is happening? It is your enhancing this one. Whether it is one you do lowercase to uppercase, and trimming the data, accessing the prefix, suffix to it. And in the extract, it is talking about the length. How much? What is the length? It will give you the output of numbers. What was the length of your characters? So when it is used, how it is used, I'll be showing to you. Now let's go and fetch another data over here. Let me take the AW customer data because it is having lot of scope to work on it. So let me rename this to AW. Now when we are working with this, see here, we are having this prefix first name and last name. Rather than going for the 3 column, what is our agenda as a data analyst person? What is my agenda? I need to work on my optimization. So this 3 columns can be merged into 1 column or not. Can we merge into 1 column or not? We can merge it. So what I'll do it, what action I want to do it, I want to combine this. So where I need to do in a transform term or in a add column tab. Where I need to do this? As I'm connected.
Transform.
Yes, I want the result in the same column. So here you have a match in your text column. This is your text, text, and text. And when you are selecting this, it should be in that format only. Which one to be first, then followed. How to select this? By putting Control or Shift. You can select with clicking on Control or on Shift. Both the ways you can go for it. And the which way you are selecting, that way it will be uh, lined up. It will be merged up. So in your text column, we have an option called merge columns. Whenever they are asking for the merge column, what is the separator you want? At this moment, I'm going with this space. If you want any comma in between them, you can go for it, and you need to provide the name for it. So what could be the name over here? It's your customer name, cust name. Okay. See, your three columns are combined over here. Clear? And similarly, we can go with your employees data in this O data. Here also we can see this is your last name, first name, and title. In which way you want me to put it out, combine together? I need a title, control, shift control. Then I need a first name, and then I need a last name. Okay. If it is somewhere else, if suppose, if suppose, if suppose, okay, okay, wonderful, wonderful. We have this title of courtesy in between. So what I can do is, in between the title of courtesy is there. If I'm trying to select this, if I'm trying to select courtesy, and then the first name, and then the last name. This is the way you need to select. In case if you are getting a problem in this, what I can do is I can drag this column to this. Fine. Now I can select complete, shift or control, and the last name. Where I need to go? In a transform tab, text, and in this text match merge columns. And while merging, what I am doing it, I need a space. If you want to go for the tab, how much it will be? It will be time. Tab will be a very long way, so it will be a time consuming. So then the best way is your space. There should be a small space, and this is I'm talking with an employees. So this will be my employee data, employee name. Appropriate name should be given because you are not the only one working with the data. See here, employee name, everything is here. Clear? In your custom also, we have done the same thing. Now, when fetching this customer name, what I want is I want all this to be in first letter should be in capital letter and the rest should be in the lower cases. So in that scenario, what I need to do, that is called the formatting tab. And this formatting where I want to do in a new column or in this same column I want to do. Whatever the transformation I'm doing it, what I want is the first letter should be capital and the other letter should be a lowercase. So in that scenario, when this transformation is taking place, where should I go? Shall I go for the add column or shall I go for the transform tab?
Transform.
Yes, good. Only one person over here. Hmm? In the transform tab, you have an format. In this format here, you can see capitalize each word. So your one word will be capitalized, other will be here in a lowercase. See here. Got it? And now if you want to do it, undo it, what you can do it, you can go and extract. Oh, sorry, in the format. In the format, you can go for your complete uppercase or you can go for complete lowercase. And when any trims has to be done, any spaces are there. If I click trim, my spaces, whatever the spaces I have created, that will be cleaned up. And now adding prefix to it. If suppose I want to add, I'm just putting $3 in front of. Yeah, this is the way I'm adding it. I'm adding prefix to it. Okay. And to the suffix to it, if I'm adding a suffix to it, what I'll add it at the rate I'll add. How many times are been added, that much it will be shown. Clear? So I don't want this till lower cases. From this 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps, I want to delete. Rather than going for each click, what I can go, I need to select this and go for until, delete until end. To complete in a one step, it will be deleted. Clear? Now, next option is splitting the date. Now I need to go and one more thing. Next, I just want to know the domain name. Whenever I'm providing an email ID to as an admin, if you're working as an admin, now I want to give an email ID to this person. John Young. John Young is the first person, and I want to Elizabeth Johnson, Julia. These are the person. Robin. These are the person I'm getting this person names over here. So what I want to do as an admin, I want to provide the login IDs. The login IDs will be with respect to their name. Here you can see John 24. With the respect to the name, I need to put it up. So what I need to do, I just want to know how much the name is contained. Okay. So first thing what I can do, I can extract only the name from this. I can extract only the name. Can I extract only the name? It should be where it should be in add column or a transform column. Transform column, I'm extracting it. So how much data I need to extract? Before delimiter, after delimiter, it is asking it. So delimiter can be a point, space, anything. So after delimiter, I'm fetching it. I'm clicking after delimiter. What is my delimiter? I am putting a dot. See here. You got the name over here. Now, this is your complete name, and from this name, I want to extract the length of it. The maximum length of the new batch employees are getting enrolled. So what is the maximum length of a name is here 27 characters. Is that clear? The lowest one is here 0 character and the highest one is here 27 character. The naming convention will be provided with your 27 characters. From this 27 characters, you can take an average or you can take a top 5, any 3 words if you want to align it. You can go for it. Isn't it easy now? Now, what I want to do in this email ID, I just want to know from which company you are working. I just want to segregate your company name. That is your domain name. That is your adventureswork.com. I just want to have only adventures. Okay. In that scenario, what I need to do, I need to extract. Okay. Extract what? Before limiter, I have shown you same thing. After delimiter will work. In between, here in between, we have starting delimiter as what is it? At the rate, and the next delimiter is .com. So I don't want .com. Only the domain name. See here, adventures work. This is my domain name. Clear? We'll wind up here because the strength is too less today. In your coming session, we'll continue. And any doubt, you can post me your problems. We'll wind up here. In a coming session, we'll continue. Thanks for the day.